Alright, so now you got the cover off. Now what you're going to want to do, here's something just kind of interesting if you want to take a look and see inside this thing. You don't really need to take it out for anything, but if you wanted to get access into the motor and stuff, you can slide a little spudger under there. A little guitar pick works well, and then you can pull the thing out and you can see inside there. I don't have a flashlight, but you can kind of see what it looks like. I'll show you more when I get the cover off. So that's one thing you can do really easily, just to look inside. But then what you're going to want to do to get this cover off is you got to flip it upside down. And you don't need to take these screws out. These screws hold the bottom to the bottom thing, and only if you need to do something with this drawer, I think. I don't know. I never had to do it, but you do need to take off these little 4 things from the feet so that you can take out your screws here, and they're going to be 4 long screws. So now you unscrew the screws, you take these screws out right there. Now what you're going to want to do is you got to flip it on its side here. This is kind of tricky to film and do at the same time. Flip it on its side there, and now what you need to do is you need to get these screws they decided to put way up in here. It's like the carriage rail. You'll see, I don't know, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, maybe 6 of them or something. And the only way you can do that is if you have a super tiny screwdriver like this, and then you can unscrew the screws. So yeah, there's one of them. And then you'll need to move the carriage rail, or the tool holder, so that you can take all the screws out. So now once you get all the screws out of there, you should be along that rail right there. They're kind of zigzagged in there. Let me see how many there are. There are 2, 4, 6, 7 of them. 7 of them. Once you get those all out, then you can flip your machine back over, and then it should be loose enough to come off. So you can take it off. Now you got to be careful because the power cord is connected right there. So what you have to do is they got a little thing. Let me zoom in there for you. You gotta unclip that thing and push this little thing down on each side, and it pulls right out. There's a little bit of tape there that it's stuck to. And now you got your thing off. Hey.